Introducing the AUET MTM-050-600 DC Torque Tester DC, the ultimate solution for verifying the accuracy and repeatability of your hand tools, power tools, and pulse tools. Engineered by AIMCO, this advanced torque tester combines precision and versatility to meet the demands of modern assembly processes. With its wide torque range of 5-50 and NOS/6600 INLB, the AUET/MTM-050-600 DC Torque Tester can accommodate various fastening applications, ensuring comprehensive testing capabilities. The integrated digital readout and intuitive software provide real-time torque measurements and analysis, allowing for precise evaluation and documentation of test results. The tester offers 3 operating modes: peak, first peak, and track, enabling users to capture different torque values based on their specific requirements. The adjustable auto-clear function simplifies the testing process by automatically resetting the display after each measurement, enhancing efficiency and reducing manual intervention. The AUET/MTM-050-600 DC Torque Tester is compatible with 1/43/8D drive sizes, making it suitable for a wide range of tools and applications. Elevate your quality control measures with the AUET/MTM-050-600 DC Torque Tester DC W/SoftwareUSB. Invest in this advanced torque tester and gain confidence in the accuracy and consistency of your fastening processes.